Pizza sauce is not just for pizza. Store-bought pizza sauce for 1/4 cup ranges from 200 to 320 milligrams of sodium in that little 1/4 cup. Our pizza sauce, 24.2 milligrams for a 1/4 cup. We like it better than the store-bought. Low sodium cooking does not have to be bland. This sauce has wonderful flavor. In a saucepan goes 1½ cups of bottled water because it doesn't have sodium in it. 1 teaspoon of cocoa. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon basil. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1½ teaspoons minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of oregano leaves. 1 6-ounce can of no salt added tomato paste. 1 8-ounce can no salt added tomato sauce. All those go in your saucepan with the whisk. Just simmer it and stir it for 3 or 4 minutes just to get those flavors in there. I've measured this. It's a little over 2½ cups, almost 2 2/3. When it gets cold, you freeze it in a 1-gallon freezer bag. Flatten it out and it'll be thin. Put it in your freezer. Then, when you want some, you just have to rip it off because it's thin and you can do that. Use it for seasonings, in casseroles, pizza, on appetizers. Lots of uses for this. It's quite good.